Every day I get more and more bullish about Turbo, guys. I absolutely love this project, and I'm so blessed to be the space host for Turbo and everything else, guys, because I love you. I love the community, but there's a lot of talk about potential Coinbase and Robinhood listings. I mean, it's flooded all over YouTube right now, and I think this could be happening, and there's good reason why. In this video, I'm going to go over why Coinbase and Robinhood, I personally think, will be listing Turbo, and where could that put the price of Turbo. I think it could really blow people's imaginations. It really could do way past what I previously thought Turbo could. But guys, I absolutely love this project. I absolutely love every one of you. What do y'all say? Let's get into everything Turbo. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification, and join the Freeman and Finance family, guys. When there's smoke, there is often fire, and there is a lot of posts about a potential Coinbase listing, but nobody's really mentioning Robinhood, and I want to throw that in here for that. But let's get into why they would be doing it right after we get into the price action, guys. What a day to be a Turbo holder. If we just look at it, I want to remind you all that back when this pump happened, there was no tier 1 exchange listings, guys. There was no Kraken, there was no crypto.com, there was no Binance, and all of this happened right here, guys, and we are just about to get there. Now, will we see a little pullback? Probably. Some Jeets are going to regret that, in my personal opinion. But right now, Turbo is sitting at a $615 million market cap. So when you look at it, you might say, that's already getting to a pretty high market cap for a token, but it's not high to me, and I will tell you exactly why. Because the data that I want to look at is not that. What I want to look at is this right here, the volume. 280 million volume in the last 24 hours, guys. This token is only about a $600 million market cap with 280 million in volume. It's no wonder when you look at this website, it is now 90 plus spot exchanges, guys. Shout out to the guys editing the website. It's a lot of work keeping up with all these exchanges, but let's compare this to some other projects. Let's compare Turbo sitting at about a $600 million market cap to something like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Now, I'll say I do not think it'll pass up Dogecoin, but I do honestly think that Turbo has the ability to become the #2 meme coin in all of crypto, and I'll tell you why. I know this is bullish, but when we look at it, 280 million in volume, guys. When we look at Dogecoin yesterday, it was 540 million in volume. So about a 2x of the volume Turbo has. So they have about twice the volume as Turbo. But if you were to cut this in half and make this right here, say the Turbo volume, and do the market cap accordingly, that would be an $8 billion token, has the same volume as Turbo, guys. When you look at it, Turbo is currently sitting at a $600 million market cap. Look at all that volume. That is a lot more bang for the buck for potential exchanges, guys. Exchanges make their money off of trading, but let's look at something a little more realistic of a price target. And when I look at that, I look at Shiba Inu, currently sitting at a $10 billion market cap. But look at that volume, guys. It is 235 million. Turbo beat it out in volume. A token that is about 20x the size of Turbo currently, it beat it out in volume. What kind of volume do you think the Toad is going to have if this reaches 5 billion, 10 billion in total market cap, guys? It's going to be huge. That is a lot of money for these exchanges, and I do not think they want to miss out on it, okay? Crypto.com was the first tier 1. Then there was Kraken. Then there was Binance, the largest exchange globally. So Coinbase, the largest exchange in the United States, and Robinhood, arguably the easiest normie investor platform, one of the first that listed Dogecoin, guys. They don't want to miss out on this money. It does not make sense to not list Turbo, such a pure, organically grown project, guys. If you are not somebody that wants to deal with an exchange because there's no personalized, part in it, there's no talking to somebody, and that's exactly why I partnered with Caleb and Brown. They are the official brokerage of Freeman Finance and Crypto, guys, and I know y'all have heard me talk about it, but this is something that I truly, truly believe in. It's completely free to sign up, and you can pick up the phone, call your broker. You have a direct access to them to place limit orders, DCA, anything like that. And they work hard to buy from multiple various platforms to get you the absolute best price that you want. And guys, there will be an affiliate link down below. If you want to click on it, it'll take you right here to my landing page. Like I said, it's completely free to sign up, and I really recommend everyone go watch this video right here, why Caleb and Brown's the #1 cryptocurrency brokerage for serious investors. I really go in depth on it, and I'll have it linked as the referred video at the end of this. I really recommend everyone taking a look at it, and like I said, it's completely free to sign up. But when it comes to these exchanges, guys, look, 90 plus spot exchanges, and you can even find Caleb and Brown somewhere in this list right here, guys. It's crazy. It is just so many exchanges now for my favorite meme coin of all time, the People's Token. And when we look at the X, guys, they are now over 80,000 followers. And just look at this. Look at the artwork, guys. We have a lot of community members. This is Jotheimer right here. Posted this, Turbo going to the moon. Maybe call Elon Musk, get him on SpaceX, and let's integrate Turbo into X payments. But I absolutely love this. And this right here was an AMA that we hosted a few days ago. I am the AMA host, as you guys know. I'm just a community member. I'm an extension of every single one of y'all, but I like to talk to potential partners and then also just educate people. This was open campus, and y'all know that I was recently hacked, and so another upcoming AMA that we're going to have is with Anyone and some guys that have actually done an analysis on the type of cybersecurity hack that I had. And they're going to teach us how to be safe in cryptocurrency, how to be safe in Web3, how to secure your socials, how to secure your crypto. So that'll be coming up in a couple weeks, and I'm very, very interested to talk to them. But let me know, guys, I would love to have Caleb and Brown on an AMA to talk about their platform, talk about Turbo, talk about meme culture. Let me know down in the comments if you would be interested in hearing from Caleb and Brown, and we could bring that to y'all. But when it comes to Turbo, guys, this volume cannot be ignored. When you're sitting at a $600 million market cap and there's a token that is so much bigger at 16 billion and only has 2x the volume, or when you look at something that's 20 times the size in Shiba Inu as Turbo and it has less volume, it makes zero sense that Coinbase and Robinhood will not be listed under this list very soon. Now, is that the buying pressure that's been happening over the last couple hours? I don't think so. I would think that Coinbase has already bought. Like, I don't think Coinbase would wait this long to really be buying, guys. And there's a lot of holders growing, a lot of these big wallets. And we know whenever the Binance listing happened, they were having some other wallets potentially buy it, and that's how they ended up getting their supply to kind of keep it under wraps. But you know, these exchanges have to have friends, right? If somebody knows Turbo is going to be listed, they're sitting there drinking a beer with their friend. Yeah, we're going to list Turbo Token. Oh, really? And then they tell their friend, and then they tell their friend, and other people buy. I mean, I know this stuff's not supposed to get out, but we're all human. I could only imagine that does happen. But this chart looks amazing, guys, and I'm so happy to be a part of the Turbo Toad community. I'm so proud to be the space host of it and an extension of the community to every single one of us, guys. But I think when there's smoke, there is typically fire. We got a lot more people talking about Turbo now, a lot more influencers that I've never even heard of coming out of the woodworks. And hey, I love and support every single one of you. I was new one time with 0 subscribers, but this guy right here, profit taking near all-time high. He's a trader. I really like his videos, Gerhard Bitcoin Strategy, but I personally think this is very risky, guys. But as always, this is ever financial advice. I'm Scott, slightly a degen, and loves finance. So, you know, cryptocurrency and Turbo is even extremely risky, guys. They all are. So it's never financial advice. But to me, I do not think I'm going to be trying to swing trade Turbo because it's just too risky in my opinion. Because if this thing really takes off, if we get one of these parabolic moves like we had a few months ago, very soon, guys, it's going to leave. It is just going to absolutely leave people behind. When you take a look at this, if we trend this on date-wise from here to here to the top was only about 10 days. It was not long at all. So the fact of the matter that this thing will happen so quick, guys. Look what 10 days could potentially look at if that was the start of it. And this thing could be touching 5 cents, 3 cents. I don't know, but it is way too risky for me. But let me know, what do you think? Do you think Coinbase and even a Robinhood listing is coming, and which one would you be looking forward to the most, guys? But let me know down below, what do y'all think about that, and what do y'all think about having Caleb and Brown up on a AMA? I would love to bring it to y'all. We're going to bring a cybersecurity one, and any other AMAs or anybody, any influencers that y'all want to hear from, let me know down below. I'll contact them and try to bring them on to talk to us, the Turbo Toad community, guys. But watch this video up above or over here. And if you're not a part of the Freeman and Finance family, what are we doing? Subscribe. I love you all.